Hello everyone! Today we're unboxing something special, the Somavedic Vedic. So the Somavedic has several models, including Harmony, Ruby, Cobalt, and Sky. This one is special because it can mitigate the effects of 5G, just like the Amber model. It's designed to help balance the effects of EMF or electromagnetic fields around you and boost the energy in your home. So let's check it out and see what it can do. So first, let's check out the packaging. The Somavedic comes in a sleek, sturdy box that's carefully sealed and cushioned to ensure it's safe during shipping. Inside, you'll find a neatly placed product brochure and manual which will guide us through setting up and using the device. And here it is, the Somavedic. Just holding it, you can feel the craftsmanship and attention to detail. It's handcrafted in the Czech Republic with a beautiful glass body that protects its core, where precious and semi-precious stones are arranged specifically. The copper and silver bands, along with geometrically arranged minerals, create a low-energy electromagnetic field that works wonders. Plus, the round shape allows for better energy rotation. It's not only functional but also a stunning addition to any room. The Somavedic package includes an adapter and multiple socket heads for different type of outlets. Let's check the features that make the Somavedic truly stand out. At the front, the Somavedic features a sleek design with a logo and soft lights that illuminate when the device is activated. This light provides a visual feedback and adds an elegant touch to the Somavedic's appearance. Where is the best place to put your Somavedic? The Somavedic generates a cohesive, life-supporting field that extends in all directions for a radius of 100 feet. You'll want to place it where the majority of people in the house can experience its effect. We recommend putting it in the living room. If you decide to place it in the bedroom, make sure to keep it at least 3 feet away from your bed to avoid excessive energy and light during sleep. Personally, I feel its energy, so I'd keep it away from my bed, but some people can sleep beside it just fine. Oh, and did I mention that the Vedic or Amber model can also restructure water while actively working to harmonize the energy around it? It's a good idea to place it near where you usually keep your drinking water so everyone can enjoy drinking restructured water. However, remember that it can only penetrate through plastic and glass. Super cool, right? Now, let's try to turn on the device. Setting up the Somavedic is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply plug it into the power source and voila! The device comes to life, protecting your body from the harmful effects of 3G, 4G, 5G, EMF, free radicals, and geophatic zones. This field can penetrate floors and walls, eliminating the need to move it around the house for its effects to reach the other rooms. Here's a little tip. Keep the device turned on all the time to maximize its effects. It consumes minimal energy, not exceeding 1 kilowatt-hour per month. Even when it's switched off, it still works at 60% of its capacity. But remember, it won't be able to structure water. So, keep it plugged in for a water restructuring function. Now, let's talk about the water restructuring feature of Somavedic. Prepare a glass container and place it next to the Somavedic for at least 20 minutes. During this time, the Somavedic emits specific frequencies that interact with the water molecules, optimizing their structure and restoring their natural balance. Restructured water offers a lot of benefits. First off, it helps water hydrate you better, so your body can absorb and use it more effectively. This can boost your energy and make you feel better overall. Restructured water also helps your body detox by flushing out toxins and improving how your cells work. It might even help with digestion, absorbing nutrients, and keeping your skin healthy. So now, let me share my personal experience with the Somavedic. Over the past 4 months, I've noticed significant improvements in my overall well-being. My sleep quality has noticeably improved and I wake up feeling refreshed and energized. The atmosphere in my home feels more balanced and serene, helping me reduce stress and enhance focus. I've also personally experienced the effects of drinking restructured water. Using the Somavedic has really made a difference for me. I've noticed that I'm more hydrated, my digestion has improved, and I just feel more energetic overall. It's amazing how this small device can really change the quality of the water we drink. To wrap it up, the Somavedic is a remarkable device that brings harmony and positive energy to your living space. Whether you're a wellness enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or someone seeking balance in their environment, the Somavedic is definitely worth considering. Thank you all for joining me today on this exciting unboxing journey. Remember, when it comes to taking care of ourselves, every little positive changes counts. Cheers to harmonious living and vibrant well-being. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also comment below with your thoughts. For more health information, visit our website at getbetter.ph.